that in your life sometimes problems come.
Yes, they do.
But I have a story to tell that there is someone who will stick by you all the time.
All the time.
People can fail you. Your employers can retrench you. But there's one thing you need to know. That everywhere you go, this friend will never let you go. And he'll never fail you. You may have sickness in your body. Believe in him. You have confusion in life. He brings about peace.
Yes, it does.
For he is Jehovah Shalom. He'll never fail you. It doesn't matter what kind of a problem you have.
Yeah.
Take it to God in prayer. And he'll never fail you. There's one thing I know. Everywhere I go, Jesus' love has never failed me. Come on, sing it.
Sinibingelele siphinde sinamukele emsakazweni Fullcross Online Radio. Ngiyabona lapha yana inkundleni zokuxhumana via WhatsApp bayangena omam Nomvula wakadludlu endaweni yase Amersfoort. Bathi sinibingelele nje emsakazo kuseni, siyakubingelela nathi mama. Siyabona lapha yana ubaba umloyi owaziwa ngelika Mavu naye uyangena uyahalalisa. Sikubingelele nje Mr Mavu ekseni. Singena ngengoma emnandi ke buya lapha kumthunzi number ethi you never failed me yet. Singena kanjalo kwehlelweni namhlanje isidlo sasekuseni i-breakfast show. If you are just tuned in, you're tuned into Fullcross Online Radio. Sinibingelele nje Dr. Pixley ka Isaka Semo ukuhlukana kwaye sinibingelele Dagakral, sinibingelele Amersfoort, sinibingelele Petrokop, sinibingelele Vakastrom nakhona ke la ekhaya eFullcross. Sizoqala ke sithi nje compliments for the new year. Sithande nje kunibonga kakhulu ngokusibekezelela ngoba nazi ke we post our shows because we are working on upgrading our system. It feels good to be back. Kuningi kodwa kusekwenzekile kulonyaka ka 2022. Hlala nathi ke sisazonipha nje umculo omnandi nama updates nama ads wethu ke sinawo la emsakazweni iVOR. Sithi nje good morning and happy Wednesday.
You are listening to Fullcross Online Radio.
Help your children and don't let them fall by the side of the road, and teach them to love one another, that heaven might find a place in their hearts, 'cause Jesus is love. He won't let you down, and I know He's mine forever. In my heart, we've got to walk on through temptation, 'cause His love and His wisdom will be our helping hand. And I know the truth, and His word will be our salvation. Lift up our hearts to be thankful